Have you ever stopped and thought about this? Right now, as you're watching this video, something invisible is passing through your walls, through your body, connecting your device to the entire internet. No wires, no cables, just air. So what exactly is Wi-Fi, and how does something you can't even see carry movies, messages, and entire websites instantly? Because here's the strange part. We use Wi-Fi every single day. We depend on it. We get frustrated when it's slow, but most people have absolutely no idea what it actually is. Is it satellites? Is it magic signals? Or is it something much simpler and much more fascinating? Welcome to Why Is That? Let's start with the basic idea. Wi-Fi is just a way to send information without wires. That's it. Instead of using a cable like old internet connections, Wi-Fi sends data through the air using something called radio waves. Yes, the same kind of waves used in radios, TVs, and even walkie-talkies. But here's where things get interesting. Right now, your room is not empty. It's actually filled with invisible signals. Your phone, your router, your laptop, they are all constantly sending and receiving tiny bursts of energy through the air. You just can't see them. Think of it like this. Imagine your router is a lighthouse, and instead of light, it's constantly sending out invisible waves in all directions. Your phone picks up those waves, understands them, and sends signals back. That back and forth conversation is what we call Wi-Fi. Here's the part most people don't realize. Wi-Fi doesn't send videos or messages directly. It sends data. And that data is broken into tiny pieces called binary, which is just ones and zeros. Every video you watch, every message you send, every website you open is just billions of ones and zeros. Wi-Fi's job is to take all that data and convert it into radio signals. Here's what happens step by step. You open a video, your phone sends a request to the router sends that request through a cable to the internet sends the data back. Now here's the magic part. The router takes that data and turns it into radio waves. Those waves travel through the air, your phone receives them, and converts them back into data you can see. All of this happens in milliseconds. But here's the surprising truth. Wi-Fi is not actually internet. It's just a bridge, a translator between your device and the real internet. That means even if your Wi-Fi signal is strong, your internet can still be slow. And even if your internet is fast, bad Wi-Fi can ruin everything. They are two completely different things. Now think about this. If Wi-Fi is just radio waves, then why does it get weaker in another room? Why does it struggle through walls? Why does it slow down when too many people are connected? The answer is simple. Wi-Fi signals are not very powerful. They can be blocked by walls, absorbed by objects, interfered with by other devices. Even things like microwaves, Bluetooth devices, and other routers are all fighting for the same invisible space. It's like trying to have a conversation in a crowded room full of people shouting. And here's another hidden detail. Wi-Fi actually uses different frequencies. You've probably seen this, 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, but what does that even mean? Think of it like roads. 2.4 gigahertz is like a wide highway. It travels farther and goes through walls better, but it's slower and more crowded. 5 gigahertz is like a fast express lane. It's much faster, but it doesn't travel as far and struggles through walls. So your device constantly switches between them, trying to find the best connection. Now step back and think about this for a second. Wi-Fi has completely changed how humans live. We no longer need physical connections. Entire businesses, schools, friendships, all run through invisible waves in the air. Something that didn't even exist just a decade ago is now one of the most essential parts of modern life. So what exactly is Wi-Fi? It's not magic, it's not the internet itself, it's a system that turns data into invisible radio signals, sends them through the air, and rebuilds them on the other side, all in less time than it takes you to blink. And once you understand that, you realize something incredible. Right now, you are literally surrounded by information, flowing through the air, constantly. You just needed the right device to see it. If this made you see something ordinary in a completely new way, hit like, share this with someone who always complains about slow Wi-Fi, and subscribe to Why Is That for more hidden explanations behind everyday things. Because sometimes the things we use the most are the things we understand the least. See you in the next one.